Get Chatty, mastering informal vocabulary for emails and messages. Hello language learners. Welcome to our new lesson where we'll explore the world of informal vocabulary in English. Today, we're going to focus on how you can enhance your communication skills, especially in emails and messages, by using informal vocabulary. This lesson is all about making your written communication more casual, conversational, and engaging. Before we dive into examples, let's define what informal vocabulary is. These are words and phrases that we use in casual settings, with friends, family, or even colleagues in a relaxed environment. They are the opposite of formal language, which we usually use in professional or formal settings. Informal vocabulary can include colloquialisms, slang, idioms, contractions, and abbreviations. It's the kind of language you would use in a text to a friend, not in a report to your boss. Now that we have a basic understanding, let's dive deeper into the characteristics of informal vocabulary in emails and messages. Contractions. Words like can't, won't, I'm, there, are frequently used. Contractions make your writing sound more conversational. Idioms and expressions. Phrases like hang in there, catch you later, or no biggie, can be used. They can make your language more colorful and natural. Slang. Words and phrases that are very informal and often specific to a particular group of people. For example, wanna instead of want to, or gonna instead of going to. Abbreviations. Texting language like lol, BRB, BTW can be used in very casual settings. Remember, the goal here is to sound natural and casual, not sloppy or disrespectful. Let's look at some examples. 1. Formal. I am not able to attend the meeting. Informal. Can't make it to the meeting. 2. Formal. I will contact you later. Informal. I'll catch you later. 3. Formal. By the way, are you available for a quick discussion? Informal. BTW. Got time for a quick chat? Mastering informal vocabulary can make your everyday communication more engaging and natural. However, always remember the context and the audience. Use these words and phrases appropriately depending on the situation and who you are communicating with. We hope this video has been helpful and will add a new layer of authenticity to your English communication. Catch you later. Happy learning!